Peace and love and light. What is going on, good people? Alright, so y'all ever go to the store and see those little red boxes of raisins? Y'all know what I'm talking about, the ones with the little girl on it. She got a red bonnet on and she holding a tray of green grapes in her hand, and the box is gonna say Zante currants. Those are not currants, y'all. Okay, those are raisins. All right. They're not the true black currants. They're Zante currants are raisins, so they're made from grapes. So that's Vitis, and the true black currant is Rebus. Okay, that's the genus. And look, I ain't knocking raisins. I love me some raisins. Raisins are cool. I like raisins. Okay, I'm just saying. If you got a recipe or something, call in for some black currants. You go to the store, pick up some Zante currants, come back home, only to realize you got yourself some raisins. Now your whole vibe is off, your whole situation messed up. I know some people say you could substitute blackcurrants for raisins and raisins for blackcurrants, but nah, like they two completely different things. Okay, they got two different flavor profiles. Blackcurrants are more tart and tangy, and they got this special little flavor about them that's like kind of like herbaceous or leafy. I don't even know how to explain it, but it's a special flavor that raisins don't have. Okay, and the other thing too is that since they're different, they're gonna have different nutrition profiles. They're gonna have different health benefits. So that's good to keep in mind. If you want to get the health benefits of blackcurrant, you want to make sure that label says blackcurrant or Rebus nigrum. That's the full botanical name, right? Now, there are people out there mislabeling products and putting really sometimes like ambiguous labels on products. So you just got to be careful. Like, it's like this. If the label says Zante currant, that's probably going to be Zante currant. If the label says currant, then that's still going to be Zante currant, y'all. Sometimes it could be blackcurrant, but usually it's still Zante currant. If the label says blackcurrant, that's usually what you want. That's the true blackcurrant, right? But like I said, some people are out there doing wicked stuff. So there are people out there selling Zante currants and they're putting the blackcurrant label on it. Very misleading, yeah. But it's kind of like how some people out there selling Gracilaria sea moss and they're putting the Chondrus crispus label on it. Yeah, very misleading, but that's a different talk for a different time. But currants, right? So the other thing about Zante currants is that Zante currants are from the Black Corinth grape. Okay, Corinth. And the special thing about the Black Corinth grape is that the Black Corinth grape is a seedless variety of grape. Yes, it is. So, if you're one of those people who's like, I don't eat seedless fruit, I don't eat seedless grapes, I'm one of them. You probably don't want to be eating those Zante currants because that's basically seedless grape in raisin form, right? And if you're watching this right now and you do eat seedless fruit and you're like, yo, none of this applies to me, well, man, look, do what you want for do you understand enough freedom for go wrong. But I'm just saying, now don't go to the store and get yourself some raisins in a little red box and come back and be like, oh, Amrita said these do this, this, and this, and then list all the things in my post. No, don't do that, because all the things in my post is for the true black currant. That's for Rebus nigrum. That's all I'm saying, y'all. We just gotta know our dried fruit. That's all I'm saying. Peace.